Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to make an easy breakfast for you. Bacon and eggs, a classic. And we're going to do it in the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill. It's super fast, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this is what we got, your classic bacon and eggs. I mean, that's all there is to it. It's just regular thin cut bacon. Just some bar-ass, super simple stuff. You can use thick cut, regular cut, whatever you like, but we got some bacon here and some eggs. Let's go ahead and go to the Ninja Foodi. See you in a minute. Okay, we are at the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Grill. Open it up real quick just to show you what I'm using. It's just the drip pan that it comes with. That's all we're going to use. So, I'm going to close this thing up. We're going to turn it on. We are going to hit the air crisp button over here. Leave it just how it is on 390, 20 minutes. Go ahead and press start. It's going to preheat. Once it's done preheating, we'll come back and cook this up for you. See you then. Alright, after just a couple of minutes, as you can see, this is add food. So go ahead and open this thing up. So we've got some bacon here. I just got 3 strips. Obviously you can cook however much you want. But I'm going to do 3 strips of bacon here. Get it in there. Alright, so we got the bacon in. Now this is, we're going to drop the top on this. Give it a little bit of head start for the eggs. So this is about a minute and a half. We're going to add the eggs. So starting at 20, so about 18 minutes and 30 seconds. We'll check on it, add the eggs. See you then. Okay guys, actually 3, 2, 1. And there we go. So we actually gave the bacon 2 minutes. Alright, so what you want to do is go ahead and there's some of that bacon grease. Move it down here towards the bottom where you're going to put your eggs. So just grab some of that, put it down here. Now we're just going to grab, I got 2 eggs here. Go ahead and crack those. Get them right in there. Just like that. 1 and 2. Alright, I got 2 eggs, 3 pieces of bacon. We're going to close this up. Actually, let me get the bacon back in place here. Just like this. Come on, bacon. There we go. Just like that. And I'm going to close the top. Give us about 3 minutes or so and we'll check it. So about 3 minutes. We'll see you then. Okay, it's actually been just past 3 minutes. Let's take a look and see what we got. And I say, yeah. Let me see the egg whites here. Looking good. The bacon is actually, the bacon's done. And it just depends on how you like it. But yeah, the bacon is done. The eggs are done. The whites are completely cooked. Let me bring you in here real quick and take a look. Let's see here. But there we go. Just like that. Bacon's done, eggs are done, and that's it. That's how you do bacon and eggs. But let's go ahead and give it a taste test. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, here's the finished product. How easy was that? And these are, sunny side up eggs. If you want, you can flip them halfway through and cook both sides. Bacon is good. Now, if you like it crispier, give it 3 minutes head start before you throw the eggs in. But how easy is that? Everything is good. Oh yeah, you got the nice yolk coming through there. Oh yeah. All you need is a little bit of toast. Ooh, let me get some bacon. And some eggs. Oh man. What was that, 5.5 minutes? Ooh, yeah, done. All right, let's see up top. All right, guys, we're finished with the bacon and eggs. We're talking like, what, 5.5 minutes to get it all done? Super easy and amazing. I mean, I don't have to say nothing, it's bacon and eggs, classic, it's awesome. So anyway, if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications to get my future videos. Please give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, well, actually I'm gonna make a piece of toast and finish the rest of this up. So with that being said, yeah, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.